All right, we are going to end today's therapy session, and I'd like for us to go around the room and say one thing that we are grateful for and one thing that we took away from today's session. I would also like to establish some homework until we meet again. I would like for the family to sit down one night this week together for dinner, take away all technology, and speak to each other. I'd like for you to identify one thing that you learned that day, and then also 3 things that you're grateful for. The rest of the conversation can be what you want it to be. I would like for you to be aware if bickering or arguing starts to take place, and just readjust, right, and start over, and see how this could be a peaceful and just lighthearted conversation. And we will see you next week. Thank you, and have a good one.